Hello everybody! In this video, we will be making a big sandcastle. Where do you think is the perfect place to build a sandcastle? Of course, it's in the beach. To be able to sort the sandcastle, we need tools like a shovel, a bucket, a rake, and many other things. Let's start building! Sometimes to be able to build your sandcastle, you need help, like your mom or your dad, or your siblings, or even your friends. Building a sandcastle will allow your family to work together to create something unique. Filling up a bucket of water and then dumping it out is super fun. Next time you're at the beach, explore sand and water by building your very own sandcastle. Just don't forget to find stone or seashell for decoration. This can turn into your own exploration of nature or even a pre-planned scavenger hunt. Until next time, everyone!